Assalamualaikum. So hari ni aku buat chocolate chip cookies for Raya. Don't forget to subscribe first, okay? So we need gula perang, minyak masak, tepung jagung, chocolate chip, tepung gandum, butter, 1 biji telur, esen vanilla, baking powder and soda bicarbonate. So first thing first, you put in your butter and then you break the eggs. Lagi aku nyanyi pula. Okay, and then put in the brown sugar and vanilla essence and then make sure you mix this well first. Dah cantik macam ni. Pretty enough, and then we put in our flour, our cornstarch, baking powder and soda bicarbonate. And also the cooking oil, don't forget. And then mix well, rata-rata, cantik-cantik. Like so. And then we put in all the chocolate chips. If you guys ada badam pun also can. Tapi anak aku nak makan sekali kan. So anak aku tak suka badam-badam kacang-kacang tu. So aku letak chocolate chip je lah. Okay, there you go. Macam tu, cantik. And then wrap it. Sebab kita nak masuk dalam fridge dulu. Kita kena chill dulu bagi dia set before kita nak bake lah. Chill in the refrigerator for 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, now after 30 minutes, start to bake lah. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, sekarang yang ni ikut kau lah, kau nak besar mana. Ni aku first batch kan, so aku nak tahulah dia kembang macam mana. So aku buat 6 dulu. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Give me some applause, guys. Thank you. So, sekarang kita bagi tester, kita rasa macam mana.
How is it?
Yummy.
Yummy.
That is the and burger.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Lady of the House. Bye.